sponsored before your visa runs out? What other option do you have? Hello and welcome back to my channel. You see, guys, this 2026 I have been very busy, and it's simply because in life we just need to evolve. All right, so I am pleased and happy to welcome you back to this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let me quickly reintroduce myself. My name is Miss Bimbo. I'm a Nigerian trained pharmacist, and also by profession I'm a care assistant in the UK. Not only that, I am a business enthusiast. I am a TikTok seller as well as a TikTok affiliate creator. Not just that, I'm a TikTok coach. Yes, guys, I've been tirelessly working on how to guide people to do business because this is something I'm very passionate about. Trust me, I'm not ready to be silent, neither am I ready to die full. Now I want to die empty. So I want to unleash all the talents and all the gifts, and not only that, all the experience that I have amassed over the years. Again, I moved to the UK about 3 years ago, and over the years I have constantly been involved in different types of businesses, from selling offline to selling online. And what I can tell you guys is that in 2026, ignorance is no longer an excuse. Business is a must, because the way people do business has evolved. It has changed. It's no longer business as usual. You can't say I'm a shy person or I don't have capital to start a business. That is no longer an excuse in 2026, my darling. So on this channel, I'll be talking more about how you can make money from the comfort of your home. And this is not just chasing clouds or hype. I'm not hyping you. So if you want clarity, you want guidance, you want honesty about selling products online, either on TikTok or on eBay or on Amazon, on any e-commerce platform, do well to subscribe, okay? Because here I'll be talking about how you can source for products, how you can research about winning products, how you can, make content to promote your product. You don't even have to be the one showing your face. These days, business has evolved, my darling. You don't need money to start. You don't need a physical shop. If you've observed, in the UK these days, most of the stores are closing and they are moving online. So what is stopping you? I know that a lot of us are afraid because we don't want to invest in something we're not certain about. But these days, you don't need your money to start. And I'm not just trying to hype you. Like I said, I am being realistic. This is something I have done, and I'm not speaking as someone who has made millions of pounds. I have learned, I have made mistakes, and I realized that, you see, if you want your journey to be faster and easier with less mistakes, you just need guidance. You need to follow who know road. So I'm going to be talking about my experience over the past 3 years doing business here in the UK, and not just running business, my experience selling on TikTok shop. If this interests you, you want to learn about what product has potential to sell on TikTok shop, you want to learn how to set up your TikTok shop, you want to learn how to list your product and make sales on TikTok shop. TikTok shop, from your setup to your first sale, it is for beginners and it is not a hype. If you want to start it with proper structure in place, proper information, so that you make less mistakes and you just don't want to gamble, you want to go into the business with clarity, so stay tuned, like this video, share it to other people, and not only that, do well to subscribe so that you can get notified every time I make a video. Whether you are new to TikTok shop or you're just getting started, perhaps you have your TikTok shop already but you have not made your first sale, or you want to do business but you are not sure where to begin, or you have started doing business offline and then you want to migrate to an online store, especially on TikTok shop. And before you leverage TikTok shop to start selling your products, you want to understand the structure. You must have seen lots of people making content about how much they have cashed out on TikTok shop or how much sales they have made. No, I'm not here to give you hypes. I'm only here to give you clarity, to give you the way the platform is structured, what type of product has the potential to sell on TikTok shop, how you can source for products, how you can start with no money at all, or you can start with £200, how you can set up your TikTok shop, how you can make content shoppable videos that will convert to sales, checklist to consider before you say a product can be a winning product on TikTok shop. If you're interested in selling, or you have started selling offline but you want to move a step ahead by having a TikTok shop where you can sell your product, this guide is for you. And if you are constantly coming on this channel, I'll be sharing tips here and there to help you navigate your TikTok shop and your business on TikTok shop especially. The guide is beginner friendly and it is not for those who are looking for hypes or shortcuts. If you're not willing to do the work, this guide is not for you. Also, the guide I made is not for advanced learners, so it's a beginner friendly guide. It's not for people who have scaled their businesses on TikTok shop already. Okay, recently I met a guy who moved to the UK from Germany. So obviously he's an Asian and he's been in Germany for 3 years to study. After his studies in Germany, he said he had a lot of difficulties, especially because of language barrier. So he got a visa to the UK and he moved to the UK about 4 months ago. He's been working in a care home for the past 2 months now. So we got talking recently. So I asked him, have you ever considered business? But he told me, no, I'm not a business person, I'm very shy, I don't talk too much. I said, oh, I noticed because he was a man of very few words. He didn't look very smiley, cheerful. He wasn't looking really cheerful. But at the end of the day, what I'm about to say is, in 2026, business is no longer as usual. The way people run businesses now has evolved. I mean, you don't need to show your face to run a business. You don't need capital to be a business person. In the world today, especially if you are in the Western world, where you have maximum unlimited access to the internet and to power supply. Why do you think that people say that abroad is a land of opportunity? It is not because people come abroad to pick money on the ground or to pluck money from the tree. It is simply because there are endless opportunities here. You can solve problems because you have everything it takes. And you don't need to be a business person before you think of providing solution to people's problem. In essence, I started to think in my mind that this is how people end up getting stuck, because your visa is running. He currently lives with his sister here in the UK, so you have less problem with accommodation, shifts. And I began to think, if I were this guy, because I tried to convince him that you don't need to show your face these days. You can have a shop on TikTok. You can give free samples to affiliate creators. They will do the marketing for you. They will shout about your product as long as your product is one that has the potential to scale on TikTok shop. And I started to tell him, you see, you're not looking at it from this angle. If your visa runs out and you are not able to get sponsorship, because even where he currently works, they are not promising him sponsorship. And I said, what if you don't get sponsored before your visa runs out? What other option do you have? If I were this guy, this is what I would do. He's not married. He said he's got a girlfriend here in the UK. He's got a sister here in the UK. And if I were this guy, I would probably move with my girlfriend or stay with my sister. I would partner with one of my sisters, or either my sister or my girlfriend, to run a business or to start a business on TikTok shop. I will set up a TikTok shop. I don't even need money. I could get products that other people are selling and list on TikTok shop. That is called drop shipping. And I could even go to wholesale platforms, wholesale marketplaces. I don't need to go to China. I'll take my £200, buy wholesale price, and sell on TikTok shop. By the end of my visa expiry, I should have scaled up if I remain consistent, okay? And by then, I'm able to register a business or a company with Company House. And not only that, I have track record of my business. And by the end of the day, you can be able to sponsor yourself using your own business if every other option fails. This is how creators, this is how builders, this is how people become productive. This is how people have options. This is how people prevent or avoid getting stuck. So as for this young man, I'm so worried that people in 2026 still think that business is not for them. Yes, I quite understand, but you need to know that business is not brought from heaven. Your environment will push you more than your willpower. But it is not in all cases. In certain cases, because change is the only constant thing in life, people learn and people change. So when we talk about business and some people say business is not for me, I quite understand. It may be challenging for some people, but not in 2026, when you don't even have to go out to do business. You don't have to stock up to do business. You don't have to have product to have your own business. Currently, I sell on eBay, I sell on Vinted, I sell on TikTok Shop, I sell offline, and I don't even have this product, and I make sales all the time. I'll start off as a passive side also, and if you're serious about it and you're dedicated and you get correct guidance, you can scale up in no time. So I have a guide that is able to help you from setting up your TikTok shop right to making your first sale, and thereafter, when you have clarity, you're able to scale up your business. Because it is not just about wanting to make money. It is not just about selling online. It is about understanding what platform you want to list your products. So not only understanding what products have the potential to sell well, on TikTok shop, and why. You will be able to get clarity about going live and making shoppable videos that would convert. Because tell me why a video would have 1 million views and convert just 10 sales, and another video will have 200 views and would also make same 10 sales. It's because of the positioning of the content, how the content is made, the message in the content. A lot of these things you would learn in the guide. Also, you would learn how to source for products if you want to have your own physical products, and if you don't want to have your physical products, you can drop ship. Okay, you will also be able to understand what your first sale means, because making your first sale is not the end. You should be able to understand where your money goes after your first sale and what you should do after your first sale. All of these have been talked about, have been taught in this guide, and you will understand how things are done if you want to start selling on TikTok shop. So if you're interested and if you really want clarity, just comment guide in the comment section. Guys, don't forget to turn on notifications so that when I start sharing some of the insights about selling and making money online, you would get notified each time I make a video. Okay, each time I upload a video. All right, thank you, and I will see you in my next video.